Most of new YouTubers face low impression a lot, like your CTR is good, audience retention is excellent, still YouTube don't recommend it. It's happened because you upload video wrong way and you confused YouTube algorithm. So, in this video, I will show you how to upload long video right way to gain maximum views. And at the end, I will disclose a secret of uploading method so you get 11 times more impression than others. So, let's start. First things first, always export your videos in 4K, even if your original footage isn't 4K. Why? Because uploading in 4K helps reduce the chances of receiving false copyright strikes. Now let's go into YouTube Studio. Click Create, then Upload Video, and select your file. But here's where many creators make a small mistake that can cost them in the long run. Most people upload their video as it is, without changing the file name. This is something you should avoid. Before uploading, you need to rename your video file to match your final title. So, think of your title first, then rename the file using that exact title. After that, go ahead and upload it. This small step helps build better consistency and trust with YouTube's algorithm. Now, how do you know if your title is strong enough to grab attention? For that, install the vidIQ extension and connect it to your YouTube Studio. When you type your title, you'll see a score appear in the top right of the title box. The closer that score is to 100, the more engaging and audience-friendly your title is. For best results, make sure your score is above 80 before publishing. Now let's move on to the description. This part is extremely important, so listen carefully. The first 80 to 120 characters of your description are what YouTube uses for search indexing. That means this section directly affects how your video appears in search results. So at the very top of your description, you should include only keywords. Nothing else. I recommend using 5 to 7 highly relevant keywords right at the beginning. After you add your keywords, you can include any additional information below them, such as your social media links, sponsor links, email address, or anything else you want your viewers to see. Now, you might be wondering, how do you find the most relevant keywords? There are 2 simple methods. Using vidIQ, search your video topic inside vidIQ, and it will generate a list of strong related keywords you can use. Using YouTube Search, simply type your topic into YouTube. The search suggestions and top-ranking videos will show you additional keywords that are highly relevant. Just gather those keywords and place them in the top section of your description. Now for thumbnail, nothing to say. Just upload your custom thumbnail. In choosing playlists, carefully select, or you can create playlist that's relevant with your video. Next, let's move on to the audience selection settings. If your video is specifically created for children, for example, cartoons, or kid-focused content, select Yes, it's made for kids. Otherwise, always select No, it's not made for kids. Now go to age restriction. If your video contains adult content or is intended for viewers aged 18 and above, then select Yes, restrict my video to viewers over 18. Otherwise, choose No, don't restrict my video. Next is the paid promotion section. If you are promoting a product or service and receiving payment from a third party, you must check the paid promotion box. If you don't disclose this, YouTube may issue a strike. However, if you are promoting your own product, such as your own app or service, then you do not need to enable the paid promotion option. Now let's talk about the altered content option. If you use AI to create content that simulates or imitates a person, such as a fake speech by a public figure that they never actually said, then you must select Yes, this video contains altered content. If your content is real and unaltered, simply select No. You will also see an option for automatic chapters. Do not check this box. Instead, manually create chapters by writing timestamps in your video description. This gives you better control and accuracy. Leave the automatic captions and places settings as they are. Now go to the tags section. Since tags play a minimal role today, simply copy the keywords you used in the description and paste them here. Make sure to separate each keyword with a comma. Next, select your video language. For example, mine is English, so I have this set as the default. Do not change anything in the license and distribution section. In the automatic dubbing settings, choose Manually Review all dubbed versions before publishing, and under Review Options, select Review dubbed versions in experimental languages only. For the Shorts remixing option, select Allow video and audio remixing. This can help your content get additional exposure if your clips go viral. Finally, choose the appropriate category for your video. For example, since my video is educational, I select Education. Leave comments and ratings as they are, and make sure not to hide your likes on long-form videos, and that's it. Your video settings are now fully optimized. Nothing else to change. Now that we're done with this setup, click Next. If your channel is eligible for monetization, the Add Monetization page will appear. Here, make sure your video has ads turned on. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, you'll have the option to add mid-roll ads. Click Manage Ad Slots to review them. By default, YouTube places several mid-roll ads automatically. However, I prefer adding only 1 or 2 mid-roll ads and placing them at natural breakpoints in the video. This makes the viewing experience smoother and less intrusive. Now click Next and you'll see the Ad Suitability section. This page contains YouTube's rules regarding inappropriate content. Make sure to read these guidelines. If none of them apply to your content, just like in my case, select None of the Above and click Submit Rating. Now click Next and you'll arrive at the Video Element section. Here, you must complete 2 important tasks. First, add an end screen video. A good strategy is to recommend a related video to keep viewers on your channel. For example, if you run a cooking channel and your current video is about how to cook chicken, you can say something like, "If you want to turn this chicken into a delicious chicken burger, check out the video on your screen right now." Just make sure the recommended video actually exists on your channel. This technique is a great way to boost views on your existing content. Now, if you remember, earlier I mentioned that I would show you a trick that can increase your impressions up to 11 times. Let's get back to the trick I promised. Click on Add Subtitles. Here, you're going to upload a .txt file containing your full video script. This step is important. You must save your script as a .txt file and upload it here. If you don't upload the script as a text file, this trick will not work. Click Upload File, then select Without Timing. Choose your .txt script file, upload it, and click Done. Now click Next. Set your visibility to Unlisted for now, and then click Save Now. Go back to your video section in YouTube Studio. At the top, you'll see the video we just set as Unlisted. Click on the pencil icon to edit it. Next, go to the Languages tab. Here, you'll notice that YouTube has already started auto-dubbing your video into multiple languages. Just a reminder, this feature must be enabled either in your channel settings or during the upload process. Click on any of the automatically added languages. You'll see that YouTube has translated your title and description, but the translation is not always 100% accurate or SEO optimized. So here's what you need to do. Copy your original title and description. Go to ChatGPT and paste them. Ask ChatGPT to translate them in the most SEO-optimized way for the specific language YouTube has dubbed. When ChatGPT gives you the optimized translation, replace the default YouTube translation with the translated title and the translated description. But remember, only adding the translated description is not enough for SEO. You must also include the English description afterward. So the description sequence should be translated description and then original English description. This combination helps YouTube understand your content in multiple languages and boosts your overall discoverability. Once you've updated all languages, go back to the video section again and change your video visibility to Public. YouTube will now send your video to all 11 dubbed countries, so you'll get impressions from each of them and see a sharp boost in your views. If you consistently fail to get more than 1,000 impressions, even after following every step I've shown, then it may be time to create a new channel with a new Gmail account. And if you want to learn the proper way to upload YouTube Shorts, make sure to watch the video on your screen right now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, so I'm currently at my dashboard on smmshiba.com, And do not get confused by the website names. SMM Shiba and SMM Dodge are actually the same website. So all you have to do once you've created yourself an account here is to go on list, click on this category icon, select, and here you want to select something, basically any option that says from with video. So I'm going to choose this one right here, and this should be already fine. 2014, 2017, yeah. Now I'm going to click on buy, confirm, and now you can go onto your product orders and you will see this is pending. All right, the order is now completed. This didn't even take 2 minutes. What you want to do now is you want to copy that ID, and we want to be organized, right? Especially if we have multiple channels, you will not find them again. So make sure to save it somewhere.